A public warning of a bird flu epidemic is issued in Burma's administrative capital, Naypyidaw, because of reports of an outbreak of the disease in a few poultry farms in the surrounding area. Authorities are investigating the farms and destroying all poultry products in the markets. People are advised not to eat chicken and poultry products. The incident coincides with Burma's first parliament session in 20 years in the nation's capital, and members of parliament told the media that chicken was out of the menu. The first outbreak of the disease was detected in Sitwe, in the western Burma state of Rakhine, in mid-January, and a public warning was issued there. Also in the Tanzay township of the Zagain division in Burma's mid-region, almost 10,000 chickens were culled in farms due to suspected cases. On February 5th, the New Light of Myanmar, the official mouthpiece of the government, reported the outbreaks, and the Ministry of Livestock and Breeding issued a public warning and advised on preventive measures on the H1N1 virus. There are hundreds of poultry farms in Burma raising chickens and ducks, but most of the farmers and handlers lack knowledge on the preventive health measures and the disease itself. Farmers are also worried that all of their poultry would be destroyed without compensation if they report suspected cases to the authorities. There are 5 reported outbreaks of bird flu in Burma since 2006, with only a few cases of cross-infection to human beings. Last year, a child from Kengton Shen State in northeastern Burma was infected with the virus, but no one was reported dead from the disease. For Voice of America, I'm Kaylin.